Welcome back. In this tutorial, we're analyzing a simply supported beam with a point load that is not at the center, the eccentric point load. One small shift, and every diagram tilts with it. Here's our beam, pin at A, roller at B, span L. The load P acts at a distancer from support A, and B from support B. The load is closer to A, and that asymmetry will echo through everything that follows. Taking moments about A, RB times L equals P times A, so RB equals PA over L. And moments about B give RA equals PB over L. Check the pattern, the support nearer the load carries the larger share. With the load closer to A, RA takes most of the weight. The shear force diagram. From A to the load, the shear is constant at positive PB over L. At the load, it drops by the full P, landing at negative PA over L, and holds to B. Two plateaus again, but no longer equal. The tall side stands next to the nearer support. The bending moment diagram is a tilted triangle. It rises from 0 at A, in a straight line, to its peak directly under the load, Mmax equals PAB over L. Then it falls straight back to 0 at B. And if you slide the load to midspan, AB over L becomes L over 4, our central formula is just this one, standing in the middle. The deflection under the load is PA squared B squared over 3LEI. But here's the subtlety, the maximum deflection is not under the load. It drifts toward midspan, settling between the load and the center, with a value of PA times L squared minus A squared, to the 3/2, over 9 root 3 LEI. The load leans one way, the sag leans gently back. Let's recap. For a simply supported beam with an eccentric point load, the reactions are PB over L at A, and PA over L at B, nearer support, bigger share. The shear jumps by P at the load. The maximum moment is PAB over L, under the load. And the maximum deflection sits between the load and midspan. Thanks for watching. Before you go, follow RHC Engineering and RHCES on YouTube and Facebook, and find more resources on our websites, shown here on screen. See you in the next video.